Why do 70% of tech pros swear by Linux? Stick around to find out. Linux might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Step 1. Choose a distribution. Think of it like picking the flavor of ice cream you like. Ubuntu is a great start. Next, install it. Just follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Now, open the terminal. It's like your command center. Type in sudo apt update and hit enter. Boom! You've just updated your system. Want to install an app? Type sudo apt install, followed by the app's name. Easy peasy. Remember, Google is your best friend. If you get stuck, there's a whole community out there ready to help. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a Linux pro. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips. See you next time.